Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you new Nokia 3310 review. I bought it from Amazon and let me show you its what's in the box. It's 2 megapixel with LED flash and its battery backup up to 22.1 hours and 25.3 days. Oh, it's pretty amazing. You will get Snake preloaded, Opera stored, FM radio, micro SD card up to 32 GB, and micro SIM. It's a single SIM. Nokia 3310. Oh, sorry, it's a dual SIM. It's a pretty look. Dual SIM phone. Let me open the box. Okay, let's open the box. Plastic cover, the phone, oh, it's a good charger with universal plugs. Nokia again. So the battery 1200 mAh battery, 3.7 volt, 4.4 WH. Contains a headphone also. I think it's pretty good. Nokia 3G manual, 10 manual. It's same as earlier 3310 phones, and it's dual SIM. Let me check out the phone first. Power button, call receive button, and it's a new key that's showing SIM swiping like Samsung and other phones, and internet, 2 megapixel camera, LED flash, and speaker, and a very good Nokia logo. Let me start the phone. Let me tell you one thing first. That's this is SIM 1, just below the micro SD card slot, and this is SIM 2. देख के पहले कंफ्यूजन होता है कि ये क्या है. तो ये माइक्रो SD कार्ड यहाँ पे ऊपर स्लॉट है, आप देख सकते हैं ऊपर स्लॉट पे जाएगा. एंड जो सिम कार्ड SIM 1 है, ये नीचे इसके लिए स्लॉट बना हुआ है, इसमें जाएगा. So let's power on the device. Powering on first time. Oh no, beautiful Nokia logo appears. The Nokia sound, language settings, auto update on. Thank you for choosing Nokia 3310. It's dual SIM. मैंने अभी कोई SIM insert नहीं किया. So let's check out guys. It's a call log, contact list, photos, uh, snake game, messaging, internet. It's open, I think. Mobile store, my apps, camera, weather, music, apps and games, radio, videos, and at last settings. Connectivity, it contains Bluetooth. You can connect with your Bluetooth devices. Let me show you the camera quality. Camera quality is pretty good. It's a good resolution. You can share it also via Bluetooth, via multimedia. Then you have to configure multimedia. All over, it's a good phone. Voice recorder is also there. Counters, dual SIM settings. If you insert a dual SIM, then it will work. However, it's a good effort from Nokia. It's a beautiful key lights and beautiful shape. Beautifully, it's a glossy background. Like it. And last, the price. I bought it from Amazon at rupees 3099, and as I'm a prime customer, so that I get it delivered by one day. Okay guys, that's all for Nokia 3310. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.